फिर से लड़के को गर्ल्स कॉलेज में एंट्री नहीं मिली तो हम आर्ट्स फैकल्टी से होके ऑफिस से जा रहे हैं दौलत राम कॉलेज। हमारे साथ एक कंटेंट क्रिएटर है आज दौलत राम कॉलेज की, यशवी। सो उसको कैमरा देता हूँ, सीवीटी स्कोर वगैरह आप लोग देखो और एंड में मिलते हैं।
Whoa, cool camera. Let's start the video.
My CUT score was 680 and my course is BA program.
My CUT score was 340 and my course is BSc Honours Zoology.
My CUT score was 350 and my course is Zoology Honours.
My course is English Honours and my CUT score was 712.
My course is also English Honours and my CUT score was 709.
I got a CUT score of 764 and I'm pursuing political science honours here.
My CUT score was 742 out of 800 and my course is political science honours.
Okay, great. Yours?
I scored 746 and same course, political science honours.
My CUT score was 752 and my course is BA political science honours.
My CUT score was 740 and my course is BA political science honours.
Okay, that's a great score, honestly.
So my CUT score was 766.
My score was 764.
Okay, and your courses?
We both are from Pol Science honours.
So how do you like the DRC vibe?
I honestly love it.
Like you can truly be yourself. You don't have to be very conscious about things and you can just be yourself.
बहुत अच्छा है, like girly vibe है.
लेकिन मतलब थोड़ी सी इंफ्रा में थोड़ी सी कमी है. Do you like DRC vibe, the campus vibe? How's it?
The college is very nice, the faculty is very nice and the infrastructure is better than other colleges.
Daulat Ram College is a really nice place. It has amazing faculty to begin with and the seniors are so helpful here. The environment is very supportive, I believe.
अच्छा है. I mean it's too comfy here. The faculty, the canteen or like everything, the course वगैरह सब बहुत अच्छा है, बढ़िया है.
Best है.
I think it's great. First of all, I feel DRC is very underrated college. I don't know why, but the college is great. The seniors are really very helpful. I mean the whole DRC fraternity, the professors, everything. It's fab. Like it's worth it.
I agree.
I think the infrastructure needs to be improved a bit, but otherwise the faculty is very nice and yeah, everything is good.
And you can explore things.
Definitely. I agree.
So when I came first, it was a bit weird, but after first sem itself, it was quite okay and now I love this college.
सोसाइटी का माहौल है, आपको हर जगह अलग अलग सोसाइटी काम करते हुए दिखेगी और इतना एंथुसियाज्मिक रहता है कि आप ना चाहते हुए भी सब में इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हो. मैं सबसे ज़्यादा नोट करवाना चाहूँगी ये जो कैरी का पेड़ है, मेरा फेवरेट है, जिससे मुझे आज तक कैरी नहीं मिली है. Tell me, how's DRC life? Do you like it?
Being a girls' college, it's good, it's nice. We are very safe, we feel very safe.
Yeah, for sure.
And definitely it's very much safe from the Delhi gaze that generally girls face. So yeah, it's safe and nice faculty is good. And in our course, specifically in our course, things are too good.
Okay, give one advice for the students who are watching this video and aiming to come at DU.
डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट योर सेल्फ. अपने आप को अंडर एस्टिमेट बिल्कुल भी मत करना. ज़रूरी नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं जो तुम एम करो, क्या पता वो कॉलेज मिले ना मिले, बट तुम DU में किसी भी कॉलेज में चले जाओ. यू गोना एक्सप्लोर सच क्रिएटिव अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ जो शायद ही तुम्हें कभी स्कूल में मिली हो ना मिली हो, बट यहाँ पे आके तुम अपने एकदम फुल पोटेंशियल अनलॉक कर सकते हो. सो ऑल द बेस्ट.
Yeah, okay. Yours?
And don't limit your thinking to a particular college. Aim for like exploring it properly. Like it doesn't have to be only कि North Campus का college मिल जाए या South Campus का मिल जाए. Like sometimes South Campus colleges are much better. So you just have to be very conscious about the choice of like how you will put it in your list. You have to be very conscious and carefully plan.
If you are aiming North Campus College, they are better than other colleges and you will get a lot of opportunities in these colleges and say yes to everything and enjoy more time with your friends and you will get more exposure than other universities.
I also think you should explore all the options because this opportunity is never gonna come back, and go to fests, enjoy, and also like develop your skills and yes, explore everything.
देखो, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी आ रहे हो तो सपने लेके मत आना, जैसे क्योंकि यहाँ आने के बाद आपको पता चलता है कि आप अंदर से क्या हो। और जब भी आप यहाँ आओ तो उसके बाद भी सिर्फ अकेडमिक्स पे या किस चीज़ पे फोकस करना है सोच के ही मत आना। जो जो चीज़ें आपको मिलती जाए अपने हिसाब से अपने अंदर की जो टैलेंट है उसको जगाते हुए आगे बढ़ते जाना। आपके लिए DU एक बेस्ट कैंपस बन जाएगा। और सच्ची में DU की मतलब बात ही अलग है। आप कैंपस में निकलोगे तो चेहरे पे खुशी आ जाएगी, उदासी दूर हो जाएगी और बहुत ही अच्छी वाइब है। ज़रूर आओ, मेहनत करो और बाकी
देखो, अभी अगर तुम्हें तुम्हारे पसंद का कॉलेज नहीं मिल रहा है, कोर्स नहीं मिल रहा है, कुछ टाइम के लिए लगेगा कि यार मेरा ड्रीम कॉलेज नहीं मिला, मेरा ड्रीम कोर्स नहीं मिला या स्कोर कम आए। बट आफ्टर 3 इयर्स तुम्हारा जब भी कोर्स ख़त्म हो जाएगा वो मैटर नहीं करेगा तुम्हारा कॉलेज क्या था, कोर्स क्या था। तो अपना कोर्स अपने जिस हिसाब से कॉलेज को प्रेफरेंस देना है या कोर्स को प्रेफरेंस देना है अपने हिसाब से देख लो। वैसा कुछ बड़ा तुम्हारे लाइफ का फेलियर नहीं है कि अगर तुम्हारा टॉप कॉलेज में नहीं हुआ तो।
If you're aiming Delhi University, do keep Daulat Ram College in your top 10 because it is a good college. It is North Campus. It has great faculty. I believe in every department. Be it economics, I've heard economics department is quite well. Yeah. And psychology is quite eminent. We have professors from like eminent universities teaching here. So it's a great college, though it lacks bit of infrastructure and administration might be little slacky. But of course that's a government place problem, I believe.
Okay, so as we are sitting right now in DRC canteen, so tell me your views on how's DRC canteen. What do you think about it?
सी कैंटीन कंपैरेटिवली मैंने देखा है बिल्कुल भी ओवर प्राइस नहीं है। द शेक्स है एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि तुम्हें बहुत कुछ गंदा मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे आके। तुम खाओगे तुम्हें अच्छा लगेगा। एंड ऑफ कोर्स द अमूल बैग एंड द नेस्कैफे परफेक्ट। तुम्हारा सर्वाइवल बनेगा यहाँ पे आके कॉलेज में।
Yeah, and our dosas are also very nice.
I think canteen is pretty good. It is nice. You can get everything, a lot of things. If not, बाहर भी बहुत कुछ मिल जाता है तो it is not very difficult to survive बहुत अच्छे से. But don't have too much expectations also. It is fine. कभी कभी नहीं होता है. आइसक्रीम भी नहीं होती.
But we also have a like open canteen area, which a lot of colleges don't
lot
have.
of fun actually. You can hang out here. You can make reels here. You can do your stuff here. You can dance here. You can do anything.
Okay. So do you like DRC faculty?
या आई लव इट। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, फैकल्टी बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत कोऑपरेटिव है, समझती भी। अगर ऐसे कुछ मेडिकल रीजंस है या कुछ भी, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो तुम्हें ऐसे बोल देंगे कि नहीं नहीं हम नहीं समझते। समझती है, पढ़ाती बहुत अच्छा है। पहली बात जो नॉर्थ कैंपस टारगेट करने का मेन रीज़न था कि पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी है। पढ़ाई के साथ साथ जो भी तुम्हारी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ हैं वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोरिंग है।
Okay. Yours?
One of the best thing about DRC I find is like the crowd here and the faculty. It's the best. Like it lacks infrastructure because political science का अपना कुछ department का है नहीं, अभी बन रहा है. It is under construction. But the best thing is faculty. They are very supportive. The crowd is really good here. Like everyone is very supportive and everyone is very kind.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. That's a great. Thank you.
Thank you. Canteen needs a little bit of improvement, but yeah, overall it's good.
Yeah, the quality of food needs to be improved a bit. The pricing is good, I feel.
Your favorite?
Chole bhature is good.
छोले भटूरे।
Okay, guys. Chole bhature team.
Amul area and Nescafe area is quite good.
Uncle ki coffee is also.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
I love that.
On my first day, I tried the Amul ki cold coffee, so you guys should also try that.
The Amul here, the coffee, we survive on it. We love the coffee. We
We
survive
have one
on it.
Amul and one Nescafe.
Exactly, and Amul coffee is worth everything, worth each penny. Go and try it if you ever come to DRC.
Okay, what about you? Amul का पास्ता बेस्ट है यार. पास्ता भी. Pasta is if someone says you it's overrated, don't trust them. It is actually worth. It's really worth. And as for canteen, she hasn't been there, but I've been there. Everything is good. It is not overpriced. It's fine. It's fine.
If I talk about my faculty is very good and the teachers are very supportive. They provide you lots of materials, whether in terms of study or whether in terms of other things. So yeah, they're totally supportive.
Yeah, they are also very friendly and engaging. You can approach them for whatever you feel is wrong. And yeah, that's good.
Okay. So tell me one thing you like in DRC and find it unique or different, which is not in other colleges of North Campus.
So basically it is a myth that girls colleges are boring, but our college is like the environment is very friendly and the people are very nice and cooperative.
Okay.
What do you think?
I also think the same. The crowd is really good, and that's it.
The vibe is wholesome here, I would say. So, how's political science department in general? Oh, it's wonderful. We have some of the best professors out there. I mean, we have this very famous professor. Can I name her? Yeah, her name is Suranjita Ray. Suranjita ma'am is one of the best faculty for political science. I mean, the way they teach you in the class, the pedagogy is amazing. It's such an intellectual conversation. It's such a two-way process in the class. I mean, it's wonderful. The professors are really great. The course is very vast, but again, very interesting.
Okay, great. Even the Political Science Association that we have with us in our college, it's just too supportive and too diverse. And I would say that the professors, as she's named, that Suranjita ma'am is just, I'm speechless. There are no words to explain how she teaches, the methods she uses, the pedagogical methods. And apart from that, even there was an incident when a professor from Hindu college came and he said that Suranjita ma'am is my senior and I get to learn so much from her. And that feels so good that we have like one of the best professors in our faculty. Apart from that, we have another professor named Kunal Krishna sir. He's very supportive. He's just too good. Really too good. And CP, so everyone is so good.
भाई तो बताओ कैसी लगी वीडियो। यशवी को कैमरा समझाने में हमने 15 मिनट डाले और बाकी वीडियो भी यशवी ने मस्ती बनाई है। तो बताना मुझे कमेंट्स में कैसी लगी और कौन से कॉलेज के CUET स्कोर आप देखना चाहते हो और दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में मिलेंगे।